Up, we have number 31 Mark Robson from Leeds DA, Team Elland PH4, riding Heavy Metal. Oh, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. One of our most dramatic entries.
Spectacular smoke screen behind him again. Nicely round the first corner.
Oh my God!
Oh Leah! Come on!
Go Leah!
From Leo. And he's into the final straight, but he's come off on the final corner.
Oh Leo! Oh no! It'll be absolutely good. Yeah, he gets his one.
One of the most nail-biting events of the year. And he's going for it. Excellent run, Leo. He's over the finish line. Big cheer for Leo Robson from Leeds DA. We now have one of our prettiest entries and one of the prettiest bogies. This is young Anne Denton from Huddersfield and DA. Team Oh Baby Jesus, riding EPH 3.1.
Oh, Annie, are you looking forward to this?
Yeah?
You must be bravest girl going. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Right, go.
How was it? Good.
Awesome.
Commentary.
Well done, Phil. I believe we now have David Olmston from Huddersfield and Spendier, Team Lord Bamford 1. Ron Ellen PH1 now, the bogey. Confidently away.
Yeah, right.
Looking a little nervous there, David. But nicely round that first corner. No nervousness needed when you've got driving skills like this. Tearing through the speed drop at 17.61 miles per hour.
Well, he's got further than last time.
Further than last time.
Breezing round the chicane there.
He said he was going to go it down in one this time.
Well, Gaz only gave him a gentle push, didn't he? Yeah, isn't it?
Very confident driving there. Put your hands together for David Olmston. Huddersfield and Spendier. This is another determined run from number 15. This is Gary Squire. Huddersfield and Spendier. Gary's not just here to make numbers up. He's going through the speed trap at 17.25 miles per hour. Giving a very good representation to Huddersfield and Spen. Another excellent run. Maintaining his speed through that final corner. And crossing the finishing line. Excellent run there.
Go on, Marcus! Go on, Marcus! Go on! Loves it.
go, ladies and gentlemen. He's off the starting blocks. He's round the Mark Naylor corner.